In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see WhatsApp messages without them knowing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then go to Settings. On Settings, tap at Privacy, and then scroll down until you find Read Receipts. If this option is enabled, just like that, we can just go to any conversation and then we can just read the messages, because no one will know that we read them, because your message won't be marked with that two blue ticks like it usually happens in WhatsApp. That's how you can easily see WhatsApp messages without them knowing.